Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are continuing with our tile garden bundle. And I wanted to really use the dies today and see how I could layer them up in that. So this is, again, the Mosaic Garden Designer Series paper. And this is Pretty Peacock card base, but I used Lost Lagoon as the ink because I wanted it to be a bit lighter and a bit fresher. So we used the Happiest Birthday from the set. This is, again, Lost Lagoon and Flirty Flamingo with a Daffodil Delight floral center. And then I used the Glossy Garden dots. And these are the crisp cantaloupe ones. And I wanted to use this designer series paper and make a Christmas card. So this is an old wood mount retired Merry Christmas. And I just did the same thing, but I just used the flower center, the little round stamp, to make kind of berries or whatever. I didn't want it to be a floral Merry Christmas. So I'm going to do a crisp cantaloupe card. I'm just going to pop these down here so you can see them. So I used 3 of the dies in kind of graduated sizes. Now you could absolutely stack these up if you wanted to, and that actually looks quite nice. So maybe I'll do that as another card. But these I'm going to stamp. So I'm just going to pop those off to the side for now. And I need to stamp in crisp cantaloupe and in soft seafoam are the colors I'm going to use. So I'm going to do the leaves first, and then I can do all of my crisp cantaloupe stamping. So I just need a piece of paper to stamp on so I don't get ink all over my desk. And I'm just going to come in at the corner like that on that one, and then the corner like that for that one. And that's done. That's all of the soft seafoam that we need. So I can pull this out of the way now. And I'll get my crisp cantaloupe out. And this is the larger flower, so I'm going to do it in the larger square. Just going to pop that down like that. And then the smaller flower in the smaller square like that. There we go. And I'll do the greeting as well. Okay. And we're just going to pop this down right in the middle, nice and straight. There we go. And I'll just pop that off to the side. I'm still working out how to use those in a coordinated way. I'll get there. So I'm going to use the Daffodil Delight, and I'm just going to pop centers in these flowers. And there we go. Okay, so that's all our stamping, so we can just go ahead and build the card now. And I'm just going to flat mount the designer series paper, and again, it's the Mosaic Garden. And this is cut down to 5 1/4 by 4. Pop that down. This is going to flat mount in the middle. And I'm just going to pop it up just a little bit higher than middle. These ones I put it in the middle, and the card seems a little bit bottom heavy. So I'm just going to pop this up just a little bit higher. Drop that down. And then I'm just going to put dimensionals on the back of these. And I'm going to use the Glossy Garden dots again on these. And then we can go ahead and let's build this card now. There we go. And one more backing, and then we're good. So this is going to pop down here like this. Leave it up a little bit closer to the middle. Like that. I've got schmutz on the paper there. Oh well, that's all right. And we'll put this little one at the top. And I specifically wanted to use all the different designs on here. All the different cutouts. Okay, so let's put some of these glossy garden dots down. And I'm putting 3 in here just basically to fill this space because it's a bit of white space in there. We'll pop 1 small one up here, and then I think I'm going to put a large one down here and then a small one just above, like that. And I'm going to add another large one right there. The Christmas one, I think I'm actually going to add another large one right there and another small one right there, just to kind of tie everything together. So those are our 3 cards, Pretty Peacock, Old Olive, and then the Crisp Cantaloupe. So again, that's this one, and this one, and then the one we created on the video today. So let me know which one you prefer, and let's create together again soon.